There's a new trend in IT. And IT can be composed of the developers or the operations folks, the DevOps thing. And really properly said, the developer security and operations team, it's a DevSecOps. A lot of that is a confusion of terminology. There's containers, Kubernetes, microservices, DevSecOps, all those terms. And a major trend is that a lot of our clients are now struggling with, how do I build a DevOps or DevSecOps culture/program, one of those things. But also for the more traditional IT operations teams is, how do I enable my developers to have a developer-friendly experience, regardless of the location for that experience, whether it's on the public cloud, which is phenomenal at doing that stuff, or if they choose to try to do that on premises. A lot of infrastructure that the public cloud has built over the last decade that some of our clients are trying to replicate in a smaller scale on premises. So how do I create an API first approach to managing containers or infrastructure, Kubernetes, any of those kinds of things? How do I give my developers access to storage through an API rather than a ticketed request? How do I do security that way? How do I create disaster recovery that way? How do I build all of the traditional IT infrastructure in that way? So we've been spending a lot of time internally mapping that out, understanding how to bring some of the emerging technologies or some of the existing technologies that have been morphed into this capability, so that our clients can develop a practice around this stuff, regardless of the location, public or private, that is a developer-friendly approach that's still under the control of IT's operations teams. We're increasingly calling that modern IT ops or mod ops, and our team is incredibly fortunate that we have not only the technical chops to do this stuff, but we have our research and innovation hubs, our labs where we bring in all this gear, can demo, test. I jokingly say we like to beat the snot out of it so that we understand where it breaks and where functionality really is core, and then really tying that together to deliver world-class experiences for our clients on their behalf.